Okay, let's be honest. You didn't wake up today and say, you know what I want? A snack as my pet that writes code. But guess what? That's exactly what Python is. Well, not the snake part, unless your laptop hisses while overheating. Welcome to episode 1 of a brand new Python programming series. Now, how we are going to learn Python in this series? I'll explain each topic step by step, give you fun analogies, and yes, exercise at the end. If you ever thought programming is too hard, too boring, or just for geniuses wearing hoodies in a dark room, let me prove you wrong. By the end of this series, you will be writing Python code like it's your second language. So what is Python? Python is a programming language. Think of it as a language humans and computer use to communicate. Humans talk in Gujarati, Hindi, English, and computers they talk in binaries, basically lot of zeros and one. And no one wants to write programs in binary. So Python acts like a translator. You write in English like syntax and Python converts it into computer instruction. Simple, right? It's like ordering food at a restaurant. Imagine you want a pizza. You don't go to the chef and say give me flour, water, sauce or whatever the ingredients needed for pizza. I don't know an actual recipe of pizza though. You get it what I'm meaning to say. Instead you just say one cheese pizza please. Just like that, Python lets you order your computer for performing some task. Fun fact, Python wasn't named after the snake at all. It's named after Monty Python, a British comedy group. So yeah, this language literally has comedy in its DNA. Now why should you care about Python when there are 700 plus other languages out there? Python is like the Iron Man of programming. Cool, powerful and has a gadget for everything. Want to build a website? Python. Want to analyze data? Python. Want to do AI, machine learning, robotics, even hack NASA? Okay, maybe don't hack NASA, but Python is what you use. Basically, Python is that one kid in school who was good at cricket, football, singing, dancing, studies and still somehow had time to be class monitor. Yeah, Python is that overachiever. Now let me quickly flex some of Python's superpower. First is simple syntax. You write code like you are writing English sentences. For example, print hello world. Even if someone has never coded before, they can guess what this does. It literally tells the computer to print words on the screen. Second is interpreted language. Python is interpreted language, meaning it runs your code line by line. Unlike compiled languages like C, C++, Java, you don't need to compile before running. For example, think of it like WhatsApp messages. You type and hit send, instantly delivered. No post office, no waiting in line. Third is cross-platform. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, everywhere. Last but not least, huge community and libraries. Anything you want to do, someone has already created a Python library for it. Want face recognition? There is a library. Want to control a drone? Library. Want to make a game? Yep, library. So basically, Python is that friend who knows a guy for everything. Still not convinced? Let me throw you some names. Instagram backend is built on Python. Netflix recommendation engine, Python. Google, YouTube, Spotify, NASA all rely on Python. Basically, every time Netflix suggests a movie and you end up binge watching till 3 am, you can blame Python for your dark circles. Okay, time for your first tiny exercise. Don't worry, it's super simple. First is install Python on your computer or use an online compiler like Replit or Programmis. Don't worry if installation feels tricky. There are plenty of helpful videos that can guide you step by step. Write your first program, print hello world. If your computer prints that out, congratulations, you just wrote your first line of Python code. And second exercise is, try to explain in your own words what an interpreted language is and how it's different from compiled language. Write it in the comments, I'll be checking to see if you got it. And yeah, you can totally use AI tools like ChatGPT, but remember, use them to understand, not just to get your work done easily. Because trust me, AI won't sit in your exam or job interview for you. In the next video, we'll jump into input-output, basically how to talk to Python and make it talk back to us. So that's it for today guys. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.